The journey tends to start at the playground. This is where you play around with the first versions of your prompt. What you see here at the top of the playground is a model configuration. So in this case, I run a model Gimme via Grok, max tokens, temperature, topi. You have a very small system prompt. You have a user message. And I can even, if I want to add complexity, add a conversation thread to see how different the responses would be. Within user questions, I have a variable, in this case, question. And here at the top right, I have that variable filled in. If I now want to see how this responds, here I can check it. Here it responds with an answer. I might be happy with it. I might not be happy with it. I might want the agent always to respond in English. Always respond in English. Then I simply delete this and regenerate. This is an offline environment, a safe environment in which anybody can do a form of prompt engineering. As you could see, Gimme was quite fast. We stream it, but you can also do side-by-side comparisons of Gimme and another model, like for example, GPT-5, with different parameter configurations. On all our different entities, we have logs. So if you want to know, okay, what has been moving through the platform, when, you can go into logs and see, okay, this was the question that was being asked, and this is what was being said. I will go slightly deeper into logs on another feature of ours, which is deployments.